There are several types of automation used in various industries, including industrial automation, involves the use of control systems, such as programmable logic controllers, PLCs, and distributed control systems, DCSs, to control industrial processes and machinery. Robotic automation uses robots to perform tasks that are repetitive, dangerous, or too complex for humans. Process automation involves automating processes in the manufacturing, supply chain, and other business operations to improve efficiency and reduce costs. Building automation refers to the use of automation technology to control and monitor various systems in a building, such as lighting, heating, and security. Business process automation, BPA, involves using technology to automate repetitive and routine tasks in business operations, such as invoicing and data entry. Test automation involves using software tools to automate testing processes in software development to improve the efficiency and accuracy of testing. AI and machine learning automation involves the use of artificial intelligence and machine learning algorithms to automate decision-making and data analysis tasks.